Your Excellency,
My dear friend,
how are you doing?
fine. Now I feel even better now that I see you.
Oh, man,
Let's-
good.
Let's take a picture.
Yes.
Okay. Very nice to see you again. We met in September in New York. Also, was a useful opportunity to touch base. And I'm very glad that you both participated in the Russia-Africa Ministerial, the second meeting of that sort. In the margins of multilateral event, it is important to check how we are doing bilaterally, and I appreciate this opportunity. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much, Excellency, for this meeting. As you put it, I also appreciate that we usually meet and assess the step of our relations between our two countries. And for Burundi, we are really happy that our relations keep on strengthening themselves daily, and on the basis of mutual respect and for the common interests. So maybe if I can go on, I think we do appreciate that the Russian Federation keeps on supporting Burundi in international forums and in some projects, especially education and other sectors. Let me say that there is a project that has not yet been accomplished because of not you, or not because of us, but because of other constraints. This is in regard with the fertilizers Russia promised to Burundi. And up to now, we don't know at which step they are. We still are expecting them. So I don't know if you have any updates.